she gon' be mad, right? Ain't that too bad, right? Wanna catch that cat, right? Take back that bag, right? I guess that she just gon' go buy herself that purse. I guess that she just gon' go swipe by herself worth. It's cold now, I'm the villain. Not really, I'm just chillin'. Tryna stack these 20s, 50s, 100s, millions to the ceiling. Mary, all I need. Pussy, money, weed. And all my women in doubles, I'm at the double tree.
Suur tänu on sissejuhatus tehtud. Nii tore on, et nii paljud treenerid ja õpetajad